Yeah. She's quite a... Hello, mate. Cool looking fish though. Cool looking fish. All right, mate. Okay, so it is such a fantastic day today. I'm going to hit Pukara Bay, one of my favourite spots. So this is going to be one of the first fish of the season. So exciting times. I'm meeting my friend Mark up there midday, and yeah, it is a lovely day. So kayaks on the roof, all set. Just trying to find a nice spot to fish. Just checking out on the fish finder. My fish finder's just gone funny. And I had a new battery as well, which is most frustrating. So anyway, whatever happens today, it's just nice being out in the water, honestly. It's really nice being out in the water. Okay, dokes. Let's get some. Let's get sorted. So onto the spot, first thing to do, anchor down. So first thing down is the anchor. And if you're at high tide, you still want to leave out a little bit of line on the anchor. And if you're out on low tide, then for sure you want to, because when it comes to high tide, it's going to pull you. So this thing here, if I need to clip on, clip off onto the buoy, so buoy's attached to the anchor, and I just clip onto that. I can just clip on and off whenever I want, meaning I can leave my anchor to the buoy and come back to it if I get onto a big fish. It really isn't going to happen. And then you decide whether you want the anchor at the back or the front. Slide it along. I'll pop that at the back. Well, all depends on the position really. I think we've got the sun behind us, so we're just going to pull ourselves away so the sun's not in a glare. So that'd be good. And then next thing is our burley. So get the burley out. So that it stays away from where, so that you know when I'm catching fish, I've got the burley right underneath, and like things like a carway are just going to swim all around the burley. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to put filters out on one side, and I've already got the silly kids out. My really nice to get a lifebait though.
Put something out, and
we'll see where we go. So we've just got a bit of half tilted on flashing rigs. Oops. We'll get it tangled up now. Some days I get so many tangles. It's hugely frustrating when you're on the kayak. But then you quickly forget about it because it's so much fun, you know, on the kayak. Yeah, so we've just got wiki, so just like little feathers on hooks. Get some nice places. Huh? You get a little bites, are you?
Just see what's going to happen. So water temperature this time of year, 13 degrees it is today. There, but never mind. Let's just go on there with a softie. And these are by Bait Junkie, jerk shag. Okay, so we see how we go on the softies. See? We see how we go. Let it swim down a little bit. Maybe swim more towards the bottom. Oh, my burley's just got holes. It's just, oh man, it's just constant burley pull. This could help us out, Mark. There's a little hole on it and it's just, oh yeah, now the burley's just coming out. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Into something, and that's in the soft bait. Yeah, yeah. Nice. Oops. Come around. Yo, we got a barracuda. Oh yeah, on the softie, so it's cool. Nice on the softie. Barracuda. Just show you. That's your barracuda. Right, because you don't want to get your fingers anywhere near there. There you go, and he's out. Just like that. Just like that. Well, that was good. That was really good. And we might be able to use them again. Yeah, see? And this is a carpet shark. Yeah. Yeah. She's quite a... Hello mate. Cool looking fish though. Cool looking fish. Alright mate. Let me just help you. You're going down. See ya. Oh, am I on again? Yeah, I think I am. I'm saying something small though. Maybe not. Yeah, maybe not something small. Oh, yeah, that's something decent. What's it doing? Oh, the drag. Oh, yeah. That could be quite good. Yeah, on the softies again, Mark. Yeah. Another barracuda. Yeah, another barracuda. They do, don't they? Look. It's another barracuda. That's quite a decent size one. Yeah, right. Get out the old tweezers again. I mean, you can see the teeth on these things. You know, you don't want to get anywhere near those, do you? You know. Shoot. Okay, Mark. And that's what you want to see as a fisherman. Mark's got all the fish around him. So that means there'll be a school of fish moving around. And this is exactly where we've got our lines, which is perfect. I've got a live bait out. Mark's got a couple of rods. We've got like the, I've just put fresh bait out on this side. Perfect scenario. So they're just moving under my boat now. You'll be able to see them on the fish finder. Hey, hello. It's a good sign, Mark. Going for that school, so it's a good sign. Oh, see, like now, look. Yeah. Oh no, man! No, it got off. That's all going to change, eh, Mark? He's gone all the way round. He's having a nice tour. Mark's got the hey, see the fish are back again. Birds are back. It's a good sign. I think. Oh. I think I've. Oh my! That fish is right around me. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I got a cod. Yeah, man. Nice size cod. I will just check him. Oh. Yeah. He's all right, man. 33. We're heading back, and yeah, it's been a really good day. Really good day. We've both got a blue cod each for dinner, and I caught a few species of fish and had a good time. Nice weather. Anchor was okay to pull up. Didn't lose any gear. All positive. All positive. Well, that is us for the day, and say no more. Say no more. I mean, what's to complain about? I mean, seriously. Hooker Bay is always special to us. We've had some good fishing, some good times, and just had some good evenings like that. Imagine if you lived in one of these houses up here. Gorgeous. Okay, well, that's me. So we caught a few fish today, you know. We caught some sharks, some barracuda, we had some good bites, and we've both got a blue cod to take home, which is a really good eating fish.